Welcome back to my channel where I'm realizing my greatest financial potential. Today I will be stuffing my sinking funds and my cash envelopes. Greats. I'm gonna call you guys the greats from now on. I did it. I finally went out and I got a binder and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. Now I don't have all of my envelopes back, but we'll get into that as we go through the video. If you are new here, welcome. This is my journey to financial freedom. If you like cash stuffing videos, debt updates, debt-free journeys, then please like, comment, and subscribe and join the Greatest Potential gang. Let's jump straight into this video. Okay guys, for those of you who have been with me for a minute, you know that I was just using regular envelopes to stuff my sinking funds and my cash stuffing, but a girl has upgraded and she got herself a binder. So this is my first binder. I have a couple more binders, but I've paid to get the envelopes decorated well with the words on it. I didn't realize that I could have just added the vinyl lettering and make them myself. So these are the ones that I did do myself, and I'm just waiting for the others to come in. This is how I was going with it first, but then I didn't like it, so then I just went with the plain one. Yeah, so let me know what you think of my little binder. So this is what we're going to be using moving forwards, because as you guys know, here in the UK we do have a £50 note, and that note is kind of big for these, so that's the reason why I mainly upgraded. Anyway, let's jump straight back into this cash stuffing video. So I've already gone to the bank, so let's just count the money. Should be £400 for the sinking funds. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So that's £40 and fives. Then I have in tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 90. And 20s be 20, 40, 60, 80. Oh my God, where's my mind at today? And then in 50s, we have 51, 52. So that brings us to a grand total of £400. So as I go through the video, what I will be doing, I will be moving over the ones that I did create from my envelope. So emergency funds is going to be the first category that we go with. Let me just see if I can get that under there. Okay, so let me just find the corresponding. So in emergency funds, I'll just put these out of the way. We have 51, 52, and then we're going to be adding another 100. I'm just taking two 50s, so now we should have 351, 52, 53. And let's see how it goes. First time using regular cash envelopes. Oh, yeah, love it. Next we have house deposit. And house deposit, let's see. We have 50. I think I'm going to change out these two fives. And I'm just going to get a $10 here. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150. So that's a total of 200. So we're just going to be adding another 100. So we should have £300. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 200, 250, 300. I think I'm gonna stop using 50s altogether because it's just big and clunky. They have upgraded most of the builds, but hey. And then next we have our cash savings. And in this we have £50, and we're going to be going with £30. So I'm going to do 1, 2, so 5, 10, 20, 30, 80. And birthday gifts. Make sure that that is empty. We have 10, 20, 25, 30, and we're just going to be adding another 20, and I will do 4 5s for this one. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50. I can't see which direction it is that I need to open. And then for my camera, we have £30, and I'm going to be just adding another 20 to this. So we have 10, 20, 40, 60. Wow. Over a month ago, I didn't have anything. Now I actually have £60, and I'm climbing. I'm not sure. The camera that I'm looking at, it cost roughly around £600. So I'm getting there, and I'm super excited about that. And then we have Christmas. 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then we're going to add another 25. So we should have 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 75 pounds. And I think the next time I stuff these, I'm going to make this £30 because we are in June and it's almost there. So I do have one more envelope, but I didn't make an envelope for that one. Well, not that I didn't make it. I paid for this one to be made, but I'm still going to stuff it just in the regular envelope, and I'm going to add £20. And then I'm just going to push this under here until I get, oh, whoop, made a mistake with that one there. Didn't even count. So we have 10, 20, 40, 60. And I'm just going to push this under here until I get the envelopes that I've made. So now I'm going to put away this binder. feels so good to stuff a regular binder. So next will be our cash envelopes. And you know, a girl already made some cash envelopes. But my binder that I ordered didn't come at the moment, which is real annoying. So, yeah. I'm super excited about these. So, because as you guys know, again, regular envelopes for these. It's just to show that anybody can actually make a start. So let me just get this in order and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so now that everything is sorted, first I'm just going to check to see if we do have anything left over. So in transport, we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I'm going to put all of the 5s to the side. And then I'm just going to put in this 20 pounds. And I'm just going to top it up with another 10. And now we're up to 30 pounds. I haven't gone anywhere. I haven't really gone anywhere that I needed to top up. But I'm going to start because I do have to take public transport when I do go back to work. So I'm going to get this going again. So that's that one. And then we have clothing. Just have a tenner, and I'm just going to add our last 20. And that's going to be 30 pounds. Here we only have a 5 left, so I'm just going to put that to the side, and I'm going to add 20 pounds because I do have to get some more stuff for my hair. So we have 5, 10, 20. Beauty, it's empty, so we're going to go with a tenner. If you're wondering why I'm zipping them, because it's kind of closed, because I haven't opened them as yet, so hence why I'm doing that. Eating out, I'm going to give myself 15 pounds. And fun, I'm going to give myself 10 pounds. Yeah, guys, these are my different envelopes. I'm so excited. I really like how these look, and let's see how much 5s I collected this time around. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, and this is going to go, if I can get it, my little leftover pouch. I'm not going to count it yet. I think what I'm going to do with my leftover pouch is once it's full enough, I will be making a debt payment with this one here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and tell me what you think of my new envelopes and my new binder. I can't wait for you guys to see the others. I'm super excited about that. But if you did like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next cash stuffing video, or maybe a debt update, whichever one. I'll see you guys. Bye for now.